Hi guys, today we are going to learn about time. Okay, now let's go to learn all together. Second, Vignity. You have only 55 seconds to finish it. អ្នកសល់ពេលតែ55វិនាទីទៀតប៉ុណ្ណោះដើម្បីបញ្ចប់វា You have only 55 seconds to finish it. Minute នាទី I go to school by motorbike and it takes 30 minutes to get there. ខ្ញុំទៅសាលាដោយជិះម៉ូតូហើយត្រូវការពេល30នាទីដើម្បីទៅដល់ទីនោះ I go to school by motorbike and it takes 30 minutes to get there. Hour ម៉ោង At least I read books an hour a day. យ៉ាងហោចណាស់ក៏ខ្ញុំអានសៀវភៅ1ម៉ោងដែរក្នុងមួយថ្ងៃ Once o'clock ម៉ោង1គត់ I sometimes have lunch at 1 o'clock ជួនកាលខ្ញុំហូបអាហារពេលថ្ងៃនៅម៉ោង1គត់ I sometimes have lunch at 1 o'clock. Morning ពេលព្រឹក When I get up in the morning, I wash my face, brush teeth, and do exercise. នៅពេលខ្ញុំក្រោកពីដេកពេលព្រឹកខ្ញុំលុបលាងមុខដុសធ្មេញនិងហាត់ប្រាណ When I get up in the morning, I wash my face, brush teeth and do exercise. Afternoon ពេលរសៀល In the afternoon is my free time, so I spend this time for my family and study. នៅពេលរសៀលគឺជាពេលទំនេររបស់ខ្ញុំដូច្នេះខ្ញុំចំណាយពេលទំនេរនេះសម្រាប់ការសិក្សានិងគ្រួសាររបស់ខ្ញុំ In the afternoon is my free time, so I spend this time for my family and study. Evening ពេលល្ងាច In the evening, I cook food, have dinner and study. នៅពេលល្ងាចខ្ញុំចម្អិនអាហារហូបអាហារពេលល្ងាចនិងរៀន In the evening, I cook food, have dinner, and study. Night ពេលយប់ I never go out at night alone. ខ្ញុំមិនដែលចេញក្រៅពេលយប់ម្នាក់ឯងទេ I never go out at night alone. Early ឆាប់ I always get up early in the morning. ខ្ញុំតែងតែក្រោកពីដេកឆាប់នៅពេលព្រឹក I always get up early in the morning. Late យឺត Sorry teacher, I'm late today. សំទោសលោកគ្រូថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំយឺតហើយ Sorry teacher, I'm late today. Late យឺត Okay, thank you everyone for your watching in this video. See you in the next video. Thank you.